Hello, today I wanted to show how you can use some JavaScript tools to cheat in the game or to show you useful information. For this, I will go into my absolutely legit save, and then you go onto my GitHub repo. I will post it in the description. And over there you can just... Let me show you. This is the repository. Then you would just go into JS hacks. And then you can find, for example, the enemy team. Let's show you. You just copy the code from here. Copied. Then you go into the game, hit F12. I will write it to you. This one. You need to hit this key. And if you did this, you have here the console. If you don't see it, you may be on another tab, then just go here into console. And then you go into the last, maybe you need to scroll down. And just paste the code in. Hit enter. And you will get the result. So I've written code. It's everything written by me. And here you get all the info. Like the biome, wave, game speed, money. And yeah, this is already game save with a lot of money, so you won't really see the money hack, but this value is achieved by the money hack, so yeah. But I will show you later. This script also does, it shows you the enemy team. Currently there's only one Pokemon, so you will only get one result for the enemy. And there you have all the info about the boss. Also with the IVs, the stats, and I also made it, usually there's not what the value is, I also added this. And obviously the most important, the moveset. There I also added the name because usually there's just the move ID. That's why the script is so long, because these are all the moves. Currently it's just in English. Maybe if I have time I will look to find something in the game to just generate the correct name for the move ID based on the selected language. But I couldn't find anything to do this, so I just did it manually. And I'm not 100% sure if this is correct because I just generated these, but it looked correct. So yeah, if you find any problems, just open a issue. You can just open a issue here. You can just create a new one if you find any problems. Yeah, you also have the name. Anything else interesting? Nothing really. You also have the turn data and stuff if you want to do other things. And how much XP you will get from this fight is also here. Yeah, also HP. Yeah. And the same I've done for the player Pokemon. Yeah, we can check the moveset. Freeze Strike, Confusion, Swift, Live Dew, yeah. So I personally had no issues with this code, so it seems to be fine. But like I said, if you have any problems, just let me know. And this is just for some information about the enemy. But if you want to do more funny things, you can do the infinite money and rerolls. It's just a single code. You need to paste it in once, and it will do the rest. So we can just check it. It shouldn't print anything. It should just do its stuff. Let's quickly kill it. Yeah, you see money value has been resetted. So, and the first reroll is still not perfect, but after the first reroll you will have no reroll cost at all. You can just do infinite rerolls. Can show you a bit. This will take some time, but it won't go ever up. And like you can see, it will also reset the money to max. This is basically like the max value. And yeah, but let's do some more rolls. Will, like I said, will take some time. I just want to show you that you can infinite roll. This code will reset the money if you spend anything. So if you cash here or do anything, it will also reset it to the max value. So you can't ever run out of money, and the reroll counter, the reroll count, you can here see is set to a negative value. So that's why it costs 0. And every time the money is reset, the value will also be reset, so there's absolutely no way how you could go out of rolls. You can just do this like forever. Soon we have a really nice shop. And I already have the black hole, so... And it's a single Pokemon run, so... I don't need any items at all. It's just a test setting where I play around with the save file to see what I can do. Like you can see, I have some items. Come on, I just want to do it until I hit the full master shop for the screenshot. Full master with black hole. Okay. Some progress. Oh, one more. And then we just need to hit the black hole. It's like a 1% chance, but with 6 slots, it's like 6%, I guess. I'm also thinking about making a tool to reroll with one click or a command. Maybe I also want to integrate the tools into the overlay. I will also add the overlay to the repository, so you have all the PokeRogue related tools and stuff inside this repository. Only if they don't have their own GitHub repo, then I will just link it. Like you probably noticed, I'm not able to do multitasking, so yeah, if I speak, I'm not able to roll. Oh, and just black hole. Come on. Yeah, I can close this. Oh, I thought I misclicked. Oh, perfect. There we have our thumbnail. Perfect. Then, thank you. I hope you like it. If I add more scripts, it will be also in the JS Hex folder. And yeah, just to show it. I also have the Rouge editor, but I modified it. But for it you need to run the main.py, and the first time you run it, it will create a file inside of this folder next to this. Then you just put in your username and password, and then you don't have to ever put it in again. That's why I made it this way. I also have made a simple bot which will use Python and Selenium to open my app window, but it's actually quite broken because I don't see any reason in making a bot for a game where you can hack that easy. I mean, I can just modify any game file or my trainer data completely, so since this is not really stored server-side, but you can just edit it with the editor, it's no big deal, and I would just prefer to rework the editor. So, thank you for watching, I hope you like it, and have a good day!